Okay, good morning. We are here to talk about subject pronouns in the Mayan language, okay? Yucatec Mayan language, which is spoken in the Yucatan Peninsula, okay? So, let's see them. I have written here a comparison with the pronouns in English, so it's easier for you to relate them, okay? We have, for the first person of the singular, ten, teech, leti, toon, teesh, letiop. Okay? Okay, we can see here that in the third person of the singular, in the Mayan language, there is only one single pronoun, which is leti. Whereas in English, we have he for the masculine, she for the feminine, it for the neutral gender. In Mayan language, it doesn't matter if he's a man or if she's a woman, it is leti, and that's it. Another thing that I want to mention here is that you can hear these pronouns a little different, okay? Or you can see them written a little different. It is when you see this letter with the letter E with an apostrophe. Okay, this is something called an emphasizer. Okay, that you use to stress or to make clear that the person who is talking is you or whatever. Okay, and let's make this clear. I'm gonna write here all of them for you. Okay, just give me leti, okay. Here there is a subtle difference in some of them. For instance, the pronouns that have two letters, long vowel, it tends to drop one of the vowels, okay? So we have ten, but we have tene. We have tech, but we have teche. Here is the same, leti, letie, toon, toone, teesh, teeshe, letiop, letiobe. Okay? But in these cases, you can hear a subtle difference, okay? Ten, tene, teech, teche. For instance, if you say my name, inkaba, let's make it capital, okay? If you say my name, inkaba, even here you can hear the emphasizer. It's very common, okay? Inkaba, and then you say your name. This means my name is, or my name, inkaba. You can use the subject pronoun to emphasize that you are talking about your name and nobody else's, okay? In English would be something like, as for me, my name is, okay? Tene, inkaba. Usually, if you use the subject pronoun in these cases, you use it with the emphasizer. It's very common, okay? Here, for example, teche, akaba. As for you, you and only you, your name is, and then you say your name, okay? All right, this is not a grammar lesson or something like that. I just wanted to know about the emphasizer because it can change the way you see the subject pronoun, okay? That's it. Thank you very much. See you later.